Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 2 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app, tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices. Here you should see your Venu 2 Plus. Tap on it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. Here tap on OK, close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, find the Venu 2 Plus on the list of my devices, tap on it, on the info next to it, tap on the Forget This Device, and tap on Forget Device. Okay, and then you can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.